See, dominant caste was a concept given by M.N. Srinivas after studying a village known as Rampura village, which is near Mysuru, Karnataka. He gave this concept first in his article, which was published under the name Dominant Caste of Rampura in 1959. Later, he published the same concept in his book Dominant Caste and Other Essays. You already know this concept, dominant caste. According to M.N. Srinivas, a dominant caste is one which numerically preponderates and yields high economic and political power. So, whoever fulfills these criteria are considered to be a dominant caste. And at village level, if you see, every village have a dominant caste. Sometimes these dominant caste at village level also happens to be a dominant caste at regional level or even bigger component. And dominant castes have high level of influence. Definitely they are rich, they have large land holdings and other aspects. So this is the concept of dominant caste. So please write, dominant caste is one numerically preponderates and yields high economic and political power. So draw this diagram. So regional RD is regional dominance, NP is numerical preponderance, HAL high agricultural land holdings, high level of Western education. Examples of dominant caste: Nayars of Kerala, Vellalars and Gaundars of Tamil Nadu, Reddy and Kamma of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Lingayats and Akkaligas of Karnataka, Patedars of Gujarat, Ahirs, Jats, Yadavs of North India.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice at Vijetha IAS Academy. Our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.